I did. The shaking came in small ways. I learned to stand it out. I called it keeping balance. I called it riding it out. I didn't feel the earthquake until I did. I didn't feel the earthquake until I did. I didn't feel the earthquake until I did. Until I did.